Hi everyone, Dorota International nail artist and educator here. And today we are gonna be playing with a polka dots nail art and a touch of flowers. Have a preview of them in here. Polka dots have been so fashion this year and I hope you really enjoyed this design. So let's start. Pretty nice and fun design to do it, very easy as well, and I get you step by step how to achieve it. So first of all, you want to grab some black ink, that is 183, and then just paint some random places, like you can do it halfway through, or you can do it like almost a French on the side. And just to speed up my work, I like to go straight away from the bottle and then just take my brush to perfect it. So I would put a tiny bit on the side. And then use the D-liner brush just to clean up that. And then give it a 60 seconds cure. Now on this one, we are gonna go on the other side. I think the main fun about it is like to go different kind of shapes. And then just clean it up. And on this one, we will go just half of it. And then just clean it up. So this is so much faster than painting with the D-liner brush, like and trying to bring in all that gel polish into the nail. And then cure that one too. And when my tips are cooking, I'm gonna just grab the next product we are gonna use. And I decided to go for a sugar rush, which is 200. So I'm just bringing in a small scoop of it. And then a French gel. So I wouldn't be able to paint one stroke just with the gel polish. That's why I'm bringing in the French gel. So it's gonna be much easier. And then we are gonna grab the demaster brush, dip in a French gel, and then in a sugar rush. Do a very simple flowers. You could also paint the bows as well. Like I think that would be pretty cool too. Like polka dots goes really well with the bows. And whenever you're painting with the gels, you have to do it quite slow, just so you leave enough product in there. Okay, now just some kind of leafy part. And then freeze it. I decided to go for those simple flowers because they kind of almost look like bow-ish, like kind of not exactly like a bow, but because of those leafy parts, it kind of looks very similar. Now let's do 5 petals on this one. We did 4 on the previous ones. And with the gel polish, I am just touching, like you cannot press it too hard because it's a gel. It's kind of much more slidey than the paints. Okay, and then just around 2. So I would just go over some petals, so not everywhere, just in some places. Just to bring a little bit more definition and a color into it. And you're better doing that way than trying to leave too much in a first pass with the gels. Obviously, the slower you paint, the nicer results you will get. But this design is pretty simple still, so I'm kind of doing it with the splashes of the color. I like to give you a mix of different designs, like so some of them much harder, some of them very easy ones, just so everyone can follow. Okay, happy with them. So we are gonna go back to the D-liner brush. I'm just gonna clean it because we have used black on it. So just clean it. And then dip in into the white. You want to grab a very small amount of it and just go on some parts of the design. Do not do it everywhere, just mainly on the one side. Then right in the middle, couple dots. Look, that's, I'm also making it kind of pretty wavy on this one. And then tiny dots. Okay, let's do a couple squiggles. And then the last step for our design is actually to bring some polka dots, and on the black, of course, we are gonna go with white. And I leave that part as the end step, just because we've got the flower, and if you do the dots first, then you could kind of go over it. So that's plenty on this one. You could leave it just the way it is. Doesn't have to do the black one. I'm just gonna actually maybe leave it. Yeah, so we will have a mixture of different ones. So keep this one the way it is. On this one, then we are gonna do it only black. Yeah, so we will have a nice mixture of them. And then on the last one, we will do it both. Then clean my dotting tool. Just gonna grab a fresh wipe because this one has some residue and I keep touching it. Let me know, guys, in the comments below if you would like to see more of a polka dots designs. I know they are pretty fashion at the moment, and I could possibly come up with like lots of other different ideas, you know, and combine them with different things to make them more interesting. We are gonna apply it, the top coat over it. Top coat over this one, and then I will show you all of them. Also, let me know if you've got in your wardrobe any of those polka designs, polka dots designs. I am quite curious, and if so, if it's a white and black dots or it's a black and white dots. I'm not sure which one I like it. One, as a teen girl, I would say I had the white, beautiful, actually beautiful white dress with the black polka dots. Now I would probably choose the other way around. So the first one is ready. I can just place it here. And I think they look super cool together as well. That one is ready too. Yes, this is my fussiness. They just need to go a certain way. And the last one, just in here. So that's what we have created today. Very simple, well, pretty fashion design. I hope you have guys really enjoyed it. And I'm sending you huge glittery hugs and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!